Every day, humans contribute to animal testing. Originally presented by Jessica Juarez Allende. Types of animals used for animal testing. These are the most common animal testing in the industry: rats, mice, frogs, dogs, rabbits, birds, cats, hamsters, monkeys, and guinea pigs. Unreliable and wasteful. Animals are killed in the United States laboratories for biology lessons, medical training, curiosity-driven experimentation, and chemical, drug, food, and cosmetic testing. 85 HIV and AIDS vaccines have worked in animals, but all 85 have failed to work for humans. Every year, resources are wasted to do animal testing that fail in human trials. Where does the money come from? Animal research agencies get money from taxpayers, charities, for example, March of Dimes and the American Cancer Society. Not many people know that they contribute to animal testing, involuntarily and unknowingly. These laboratories also work with private agencies, so sometimes we don't even know where they get their money from. The animal's anatomy differs from humans. 95% of drugs fail in human trials despite passing animal testing. Diseases that are not found in animals are HIV, common types of cancer, and heart disease, and schizophrenia. Paracetamol is a drug that is deadly to humans, but monkeys are resistant to this drug. Many may argue that animals and humans have the same anatomy, but this is not the case. Experimenters force animals to inhale toxic fumes, immobilize them in restraint devices, drill holes into their skulls, mutilate their brains, and burn their skin and eyes. And if animals don't die in the process, they're killed afterward. Animals are infected with diseases that they would never normally contract. Tiny mice grow tumors as large as their own bodies. Kittens are purposely blinded. Rats are made to suffer seizures. While all of this is happening to the poor animals, they are not under any painkillers because there is no law that requires animals to be under painkillers while being tested on. Alternatives to animal testing. In vitro. In vitro uses human cells and tissues instead of animals. It is also called organs on chips because it mimics the structure and functions of human organs. It mimics the way the human organ would react to a drug. Another alternative is in silico, also called computer modeling. It mimics and stimulates the human reaction to diseases and drugs. Studies show that these models can accurately predict the ways that new drugs will react in the human body. Ways to stop supporting animal testing. Learn which companies and charities still participate in animal testing. Stop buying animal tested products. Doing research on which products are animal tested and are not is very important because if we stop buying animal tested products, we are slowly helping animals by not supporting those companies. Here's a list of companies that do not test on animals. For example, Elf, Bath and Body Works, Trader Joe's, Wet n Wild, and Too Faced. Cruelty-free symbols. These symbols can be found on the back of the product. It means that the product was not tested on animals. This symbol helps to determine if the company participates in animal testing. Usually, makeup products have these symbols and the back of the product's packaging.